So I'm Joe Hawes, and I currently am a DJ, and producer, and working in nightlife in Exeter for the students.
Amazing. And tell me about the week that you've had, kind of what you're taking away from it.
Yeah, it's been pretty full on. Definitely had a lot of information come my way. Some really good stuff. The mentors have been brilliant. They've kind of helped me realise that my initial strategy that I wanted to do maybe isn't what I should really be doing and focus on other bits. So I was going to be doing some deal setting BRRs, and now we're looking at doing some rent to rents and deal setting those, because that's kind of ultimately where I want to be. I want to have rent to rents myself, so it makes sense to do that.
Amazing. And in terms of the team, Samuel, and the people that are here, how are you finding working with them?
Yeah, super helpful. I mean, like every single one is just happy to help you. You don't feel, like you're annoying them by asking them questions or anything like that. They've always been pretty helpful and straight to the point as well.
Amazing. And what got you into property? What was the interest?
The freedom it can give you. For me, like I said, a DJ producer.
Question and the answer. So the reason I got into property is X, Y, Z.
Okay, yeah. The reason I got into property is because the freedom it gives you, really. As I said, I'm a DJ and producer, and for me, I want to pursue that career, but I need a lot more time in the studio. So for me, if I got a property business off the ground with the passive and the passive income it provides, it will give me the ability to spend more time in the studio and ultimately chase my main dream. So, and not to mention the other benefits of just having the wealth and generational wealth for, leave to your kids and stuff. So, yeah, it's kind of win-win for me.
Amazing. And so, what advice would you give anyone who? What advice would you give anyone who was looking to get into property but didn't know where to start?
To be honest, I think if I was to give anyone advice, if they don't know where to start, I would say just come to the Pound Crash course. Exactly what I did. I did a lot of research on different people. His was the cheapest by £1. So obviously I thought, well, let's start there, because I'm going to at least know whether it's something I want to pursue then. Having done that, I went to other courses as well. But I would say Samuel's is the one that really includes the most. I learnt more from his £1 one than I did paying £100 to go to any others. So then from there, it's just endless. The knowledge you gain is undoubtedly the best you'll get out there. So.